Chilliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Socios.com. Chilliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the pioneer and chief of Chilliz. He has more than 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Preceding sending off Chilliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chillapoker, both internet-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business visionary who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the customary games industry. Since its send-off, Socios.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices by means of a portable application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy selective product and encounters from their #1 clubs through Socios.com's internet business store. What is Chilliz CHZ? The Chilliz stage was made determined to furnish fans with a better approach to draw in with their #1 games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for taking part in the administration of their picked group. The Socio stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Chilliz is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment in the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chilliz is Socios.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions (FTOs), which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their #1 group or association. The Socios.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chilliz coin CHZ to make secure, straightforward, and unchanging exchanges. The utilization of blockchain likewise takes into account quick and proficient installments between parties. Exchanges on the Socios.com stage are controlled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chilliz coin CHZ is gotten from its utility of the exchange on the Socios.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the Socios.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Likewise, as additional individuals utilize the Socios.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it more straightforward to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chilliz Group has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, Auga Sports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chilliz CHZ current cost. Chilliz is as of now worth $943,542. CHZ has moved 171% as of now with an exchanging volume of $128,458,468. Chilliz is as of now positioned 83 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $1,253,593,487. Using the general strength record RSI, moving weighted normal NWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union difference MACD from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Chilliz CHZ to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Chilliz CHZ market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2023. Chilliz, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year's CHZ. The CHZ cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $15,314. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $2,959 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $70.2051. Chilliz CHZ Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Chilliz CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $3.58 to $856. In any case, we ought to hold back to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $287,085 and a typical exchanging cost of $15,793. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $5 for $23.99 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $4.59 in 336 and a low of $4.30 and 60.27 in 2025. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2026. Assuming Chilliz effectively supports market opinion among digital currency devotees, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2026. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $6.45 in 941, with a base cost of $5.70 and a typical cost of $628.78. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $740.6421 by 2027, with a base cost of $717.712 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, CHZ has a most extreme value worth of $780.94. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep, carrying the typical cost to around $89.09 and 63. In the event that CHZ figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $33.26. Neglecting to accumulate the help CHZ needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $860 and 255. Chilliz CHZ value forecast 2029. While CHZ is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed, so the base exchange cost has been put at $1 and a yearly cost close above $108 in 2029. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2030. By 2030, Chilliz will at last outperform its past AF values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.15 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $1.22, averaging out at $1.18. By and large, we think Chilliz is an exceptionally encouraging task with a great deal of possibilities. The group has proactively gained huge headway in developing its associations, and presently they simply have